A single bug in a smart contract can lead to millions of dollars of irrecoverable loss. The only way to solve this is to reduce the attack surface of your smart contracts by doing a third-party external smart contract audit. In this video, we are going to talk about the importance of smart contract audits. So if you are a developer or a business trying to experiment with smart contracts for your new disruptive idea or for improvements in the existing processes in your enterprise, chances are that your smart contracts have bugs. Now, the security of the smart contract becomes extremely critical and also the single point of failure for your entire experiment. Because if the smart contract is put to a blockchain infrastructure, let's say the public Ethereum network, or for that matter, any permissioned blockchain as well, you cannot go back and change the version of the smart contract. Now, if there are a community which is operating on this smart contract, if there are financial transactions being done, so it is extremely critical that we get the smart contracts bug-free, or at least try to reduce the attack surface as much as we can. The only way to do this as on date is to make sure that you hire a third party for doing a smart contract audit. Just to give you a brief, let's look into how we do it. Okay, so this is the page of our smart contract audit service, and I'm quickly going to run through what we have been doing and what we offer. So if you look at the screen, we have highlighted the top 3 hacks which have happened in the smart contract industry over the last couple of years. The DAO hack, which is one of the most famous hacks, happened in 2016 and back then resulted in a loss of 3.6 million ethers, which if you value today is approximately $750 million, and that's a lot of money. Similarly, Parity got hacked twice. Once the wallet got hacked and then there was another hack, and cumulatively the loss stands at approximately somewhere around $140 million as on date. So this highlights the reason why we need smart contract audits before you put something on the mainnet or for that matter a production environment. So now some key signs that we've observed in most of our customers who have worked with us. So there are at times there are business owners who are worried about the intended behavior because they are themselves not developers and they've got a bunch of developers who've written them. So if you are one of those, you would definitely need help with an audit. Again, if you've heard about the hacks and you're worried about your smart contract bugs, if you're launching a tokenized crowdfunding campaign and the exchanges are requesting you for getting a smart contract audit before they list you on the exchange, you'll have to get a third party opinion on the contracts. Then we've also seen scenarios where writing unit test cases becomes a challenge for the developers. Similarly, your investors could be asking you for a third party audit as well. So these are the top 5 reasons why generally people opt for an audit. In terms of what we generally do, we have seen that standard contracts like ERC20 and stuff can be audited in a short span, which we've been doing in around 48 hours as well. Custom contracts typically take a lot longer. We've created a repository of more than 125 checks which we do on all smart contracts that we work on, and of course the report covers the critical, major, minor bugs and also the recommendations. We also offer a concept of unlimited re-audits. So once we've prepared the initial report and then you want to refactor the code, so we can keep going back and forth until the time you are happy. And then the audit is by default performed by 2 unbiased experts at all times. And of course, we've worked in different protocols for a long time now. So whether it's smart contracts written in Solidity for Ethereum or EOS or Tron or Hyperledger, we are pretty comfortable in auditing most of them. Yeah, and these are the steps in terms of assessment, verification, testing, and reporting. If you want to learn about how we do smart contract audits, I have recorded a video about the 5 most important steps that we adopt while doing a smart contract audit. Feel free to go and watch that video and share your comments. Thank you.